If you think American motorcycles were only about V-twins, here's the truth nobody likes to admit. The smoothest, fastest American bike ever built was an inline four, the Indian 4. The Indian 4 didn't come out of nowhere. It was born from Henderson, refined by ACE, and finally perfected when Indian bought ACE in the mid-1920s. Indian took that inline 4 design and turned it into something unmatched in America. Smooth power, long wheelbase, effortless cruising. While other bikes shook your teeth loose, the Indian 4 just pulled. These machines weren't built for short hops. They were built to eat miles. Police departments, long-distance riders, and high-end buyers all wanted them. At highway speeds, nothing else in America felt this refined. And here's what most riders don't realize. Indian didn't just sell the 4, they used it as proof that American engineering could rival Europe. In the 1930s, an Indian 4 could cruise faster and smoother than bikes most riders wouldn't trust past half throttle. So ask yourself this: if the Indian 4 had become the standard, would American motorcycles still be locked into one engine style today? But the 4 had a problem. It was expensive, complex, and during the Depression, refinement didn't sell like raw simplicity. By the early 1940s, the Indian 4 was gone, not because it failed, but because the market wasn't ready to support the most advanced American motorcycle ever built. That's the hard truth. The Indian 4 wasn't just a bike, it was the end of America's inline 4 era, and proof of what US motorcycles could have been if performance and smoothness had won the argument. Tune in later to hear how World War II changed American motorcycles forever.